make sure to check out this amazing exchange called bit.com. It has been around for a while and they have amazing features such as options trading for crypto, futures trading, and of course regular spot trading. They've also got some of the cheapest fees in the industry. You can see 0.01 for maker, 0.05 for taker on the perpetual futures, even less for options trading, and great fees for spot trading. Make sure to check them out for all your trading needs here, including leverage, on the link in the description below. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back in with another cryptocurrency video. Today I'm going to be doing a review of yearn.finance, which is an amazing DeFi platform and protocol. I'll also be doing a little price prediction for the coin as well. This is a coin that I really like, and I think this can be a cryptocurrency that's going to be successful even if we see a little bit of a bear market here. And not the most upside on other coins. I think this coin will continue to perform, and also in case we do actually see a little bit of a bull move, I think the move for yearn finance, ticker YFI, will perform the same or actually a bit better than Ethereum. So this is a coin that I am absolutely very bullish on, and as you can see, I do own some right here, around $230 worth. For those who don't know, yearn finance is a DeFi protocol that allows you to very easily deposit your assets and earn yield on them. And you can see the APYs are actually quite high, right? We've got 21% on Spell token, 15% on a stablecoin MIM. You can see DAI here at 11%, ETH at a whopping 9% yield. That is, 9% a year on Ethereum. That's very hard to get anywhere else, right? And you can see even for stablecoins like USDC, still very nice yields as well. They currently support two chains, Ethereum and Phantom. So of course, depending on which chain you use most, and which currencies you want to deposit, you can really use either one. I'm sure that they're going to add new chains in the future. In fact, if you take a look at their Twitter page, which is actually a pretty good place to find updates on the platform, you'll see a lot of new additions that they make. The team is on top of everything and consistently improving it. They also did a very interesting tokenomics upgrade, which means that you can expect the coin price to go up much more from here, because the supply is going to start becoming extremely limited, with some coins being locked up to 4 years in time. So we're going to see a huge supply crunch, and I think that tokenomics are genius. There's buybacks as well, and burns. So from the platform, right, which is currently making over $100 million a year, they buy back the token and, will either redistribute those to contributors or burn some. And I think that is, perfect tokenomics, basically, right? Especially with a platform that does make $100 million a year. And that's right now with the amount of money that has in it, right? The TVL. But you can expect that to increase as time goes on. So taking a look at the Ethereum, side of things on yearn finance, very similar deal. Deposit the coins, get yield. You can see Sushi Swap right now, 22%, etc. And it's a very similar system, right? Nothing really changes. You can switch between chains very easily. I personally like Phantom. I use Phantom the most. So typically what happens, right? You deposit the amount you want, and then click approve, small transaction, another small transaction here to deposit, and you're in. And then whenever you're ready to withdraw, you can withdraw. At the exact moment you click withdraw, right, you'll get your crypto back. There's no time to remove it or anything like that. Keep in mind, this is not staking, right? You're depositing your assets, which then puts them in some type of strategy, right? DeFi strategy. So here you can see exactly what they do, right, to get you that yield, and they explain it here in terms of what they do, right? So for example, here they say supplies YFTM to Iron Bank or Scream, whichever has the best yield to generate interest, and earn tokens are harvested and sold for more wrapped FTM than deposited back into the strategy. So they're compounding your wrapped Phantom. And this is I believe a fully audited platform, right? Yearn Finance is a certified infrastructure by Alchemy. You always need to be careful in DeFi, but this is considered one of the safer platforms in DeFi. So if you're wondering if it's safe yet or not, this is definitely considered a pretty much as safe as it gets in the world of DeFi. And it's been around for a long time as well, or a fairly decent amount of time in the world of DeFi. So just wanted to kind of give you a look of what all this looks like. Definitely a platform where you can get amazing yields, as you can see by the vaults area here. And you can see in real time the amount of holdings you have. So that gives you an idea of what the actual platform is. And like I said, if you want to kind of see more, definitely check out the Twitter page. Really good updates here on everything they're working on. I wanted to point out that they seem to be about to support Arbitrum, and that is, a layer 2 Ethereum solution, which allows for much cheaper fees. So that's actually going to be a really nice addition to see coming in. Keep in mind, with each of these vaults, right, Yearn makes a small percentage of your profits, and over millions of dollars, right, tens of millions of dollars. That adds up a lot. That's why I said they actually make $100 million a year, even though their fees are almost inexistent for us users. Combined with the amount of people that are using it, you can see USDC $164 million, right? DAI over 180 million. So that adds up very fast, and as they put more chains, etc., you see where this is heading. Now, in terms of the actual token itself, you can see that it is actually not even in the top 100 as right now. It is ranked 109, market cap of just under $1 billion. And if we look at the chart, right, a lot of stability in the past year or so. It's been basically flat with a few ups and downs. Hasn't completely dropped during the pullback here. I mean, we did see a temporary dip, but we stayed pretty stable, and now we're actually coming back up nicely, as you can see. But what I wanted to show you, right, is if we look a kind of long-term view of what's happening, right, since this coin has launched, we've stayed by and large in this sort of range over here that I just drew in green, right? And of course, you can expect us at any time that we are, which I think that's going to happen pretty soon, actually, break above this $43,000 area, right? We're absolutely going to fly, because there's not that much resistance from there, right? We've got a bit of resistance here at 57,000, but really, this is something that can take off as soon as we break out of this $43,000 resistance level. And right now we are still kind of bouncing up and down in this range, but this is something that I think is very temporary, and I can actually see us really holding this uptrend line over here and really starting to increase the pace actually of moving higher from this level. But we are now uptrending, put in a higher low, and from here I think we're going to come nicely back up into this range above $30,000 soon, within the next 1 to 3 months. And from there, I think we're really just going to start taking off, to be honest. And like I said, even if this stays pretty stable, you need to remember you can put your YFI coin right here and stake it, or put it in the platform, and that is something else that is going to give you that yield of about 13% a year right now, which is really good. So even if it stays somewhat flat, you are making 13% a year, and this is a coin that I think is going to start to get a very, very steady uptrend in crypto. I've seen it being compared to the BlackRock of crypto. BlackRock is a $100 billion corporation, and this is just the inception of DeFi. So extremely bullish on yearn.finance, the coin itself. I love the platform and use it myself. It's extremely easy. The only thing to keep in mind, is you need to make sure if you're using something like Phantom that you can send the coins in and out from Phantom, or if you can't, you need to first send Phantom, buy the coin on Phantom on some type of decentralized exchange like SushiSwap, and then you can send it and put it in yearn.finance here. And it is one of the best of its kinds. I'm going to keep using it for a long time to come. Wanted to give you the rundown. They've got stable coins, they've got other types of coins as well, so everything you need. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. Really try to give you a good rundown of yearn.finance, not just the price prediction and the coin, but a full review of the actual platform and product itself. Make sure to check out my technical analysis master course if you want to learn how to trade technical analysis. 30-day money back guarantee, less than $20. And finally, make sure to follow me on Twitter for a live cryptocurrency market updates. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Stay safe and have a great day. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.